Okay, Ji, we were discussing this second scenario in which we thought that all these assets are generating, except cash, obviously, uh, they are generating 50% of cash. So this would mean that you have 20,000, this 50,000 would remain 50,000 since it's a cash. Accounts receivable would generate only 20,000, your inventory would generate 45,000, land 200,000, and building would be generating 300,000. So in total, how much cash do you have? 3 plus 2, 5, and 50, 6, 70. So this comes to be 615,000. So you have this much of cash with you. So from this 615,000, you have paid 90,000 your account payables. Your note payables are paid as 190,000, and your loan is paid as 300,000. So how much is left with you then? How much is left with you then? Only 15,000. Sorry, how much? 20 plus 15, 35,000. So you have only 35,000 remaining. Okay, what would be your entry to the owners now? So your suspense account is basically needs to be closed by 35,000. Your capital of A needs to be closed by 300,000, while capital of B needs to be closed by 300,000. So now the problem is, how would you equate these two? So basically, you're paying these off only, let's say, since they are equal partners, you're paying them only 17,500 each. So now the question rises, where this rest of the money goes then, which is around 280, sorry, 280,500, right? So 282,500 is the exact amount which they have lost actually. So this is basically loss, right? You can here my okay. So you can record one transaction of 35,000, 17,500, and 70,500, and loss on closure of business is how much? This is basically 6 lakh minus 35,000 is the collective amount. तो ये आएगी 565,000, and your capital of A should be closed by 282,500, and your capital of B should also be closed by 282,500. So you have counted for the loss. So this means now you have these two transactions to do basically. One is this, that they are actually receiving 17,500, and second is this, in which we are conceding that they have suffered a loss, collective loss of 565,000. So that is there. So So it will be closed here. So business is now closed. Any queries till now? Any query? Junaid, kindly ask questions.
सर अब तो मुझे ये भी नहीं समझ आ रही कौन सा पूछूं।
कहाँ से बिल्कुल कहाँ से पूछ?
ये सस्पेंस वाली एंट्री सर बिल्कुल ही।
कहाँ से? तीन स्टेप, तीन स्टेप है। पहले स्टेप से ही समझ नहीं आ रही।
आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही।
No, somehow you're missing your. I can't hear you.
तीसरे वाला जो सर हुआ है ना, तीसरे वाली।
Okay, so you have issues here when we are closing down, right? So we had two scenarios. Let me explain it to you once again. We had two scenarios. In the previous scenario, we had all the assets valued at 100% and we received 100% cash against them. So we had sufficient amount, which is in this case 600,000, to pay off the. Okay, somehow, apologies. I've written this account, this entry, and I've repeated it here as well, but it is wrong basically. I'll have to rewrite all these, and I wonder why they were confusing you all. Sorry, I'll have to do all these again. Sometimes you come back and look at things and you laugh at yourself. This is one of those things, and nobody care to raise questions. In a moment you will understand why. Let's see here. We have amount in suspense account, which was basically cash. We are paying off every individual. We are crediting suspense account and we were debiting here. So your default entry of capital is credit, but when you are closing down, it should be debit. Now, since both of them had 300,000 to be paid, and they are supposed to be paid from suspense account, which is remaining balance of 600,000. Now, this should be the right entry. And now we can easily write that all balances, all accounts now have zero balance. The suspense account is also zero. We replenished it by initially debiting all these into suspense account, right? All the assets were closed to suspense account. Cash came in suspense account, account receivable suspense account, and everything came in suspense account. And now and all these assets were closed. Now you had liabilities to be paid off, so you are now closing down suspense account step by step by paying account payables. So you paid 90,000 in the first instance, 190,000 to the note payables, and 300,000 to the loans, and now you have remaining 600,000 to be paid to the owners. This is your last step. And since you had 600,000 with you, so you are paying both of these owners equal amount, right? Okay. Moving on to the second scenario, where we assume that you only receive 50% of cash against these assets. So here we said that you receive cash is a cash, so it will be all 50,000. You receive 50% of account receivables in terms of cash in suspense account. So 50% of 40,000 is 20,000. 50% of 90,000 is 45. 50% of 400,000 is 200,000. And 50% of 600,000 is 300,000. So adding all these amounts tells you that you have 615,000 in suspense account with you. So now, in a similar pattern where you paid off in the second step to the liabilities. So liabilities have a full right, so they need to be paid. So you are paying account payables, total amount of 90,000. You paid it from your suspense account, right? Then you have note payables of 190,000. You paid it from your suspense account. Then you have loan of 300,000. You paid it from your suspense account. So by paying all these three liabilities, you have consumed 580,000. So now this leaves you 615,000 minus 580,000. This leaves you 35,000 with you. So now what you will be doing? You will be writing off capital A, capital B, right? How much was it? For the closure, they need to be closed by 300,000. But you only have 35,000 with you. So first of all, you will be distributing these amounts equally among these two. Sorry. To close this suspense account. Now your suspense account will be zero because it had a balance of 35,000 which has been distributed to the owners, right? That has been successfully distributed to the owners. So that has a balance of zero. Now coming to the other part, that you need to close down your equities as well. So all these equities, in fact these two equities, for closure need how much of the amount? It was 282,500 to be debited. Since they were credited by 300,000, now you can easily see 282,500 plus 17,500 comes to be 300,000. So now they'll be closed, by default. They'll be having a zero balance. So where this should go? This is basically loss on sale of assets, loss from closure of business, right? Whatever title you're giving it does not matter. It still will have how much was it? 565,000. And it will close. Now you have all the business entries closed down. Now, Junaid, you still have any query?
नहीं सर, दोबारा कोशिश करते हैं दोबारा इसको भी।
Okay, thank you.
सर थैंक यू।
एक चीज तो बेहतर हो गई आपके पूछने की वजह से। जो गलती थी वी आइडेंटिफाइड इट एंड ऑब्वियसली वी करेक्टेड इट। वरना मैं तो उसको एंट्री करके जा रहा था। Okay, anybody else having any query, please?
Sir, thank you.
Okay, fine. I'll be uploading a question, a scenario for for this closure of accounts. In terms of how do you want it, as an assignment or a quiz?
Assignment, sir.
Okay, fine. So this will be an assignment. Uh, practice. Some of them are very geniuses. They're saying only practice questions, sir. No assignment, no quiz. But it will be assignment. So I'll post it online. So you'll have to solve it and obviously repost it to the Google Classroom, and I'll mark it there. So
सर एक चीज़ क्लियर करनी थी।
yes, please.
सर जब ये जिस तरह ये हमने लास्ट में किया था थर्ड को क्लोज डाउन करने के लिए, जो सस्पेंस अकाउंट थे उसमें और जो क्रेडिट एंट्रीज थी उसमें, यानी वो सस्पेंस अकाउंट हाफ था और क्रेडिट एंट्री उससे डबल थी, तो ये इसी तरह करेंगे इसको, क्योंकि नॉर्मली तो हम बैलेंस के साथ चलते होते हैं।
इसकी बात कर रहे हो ना?
सर ये जब लॉस मेकिंग नहीं, आपने जब हाफ किया था सारे एसेट्स को।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे जी।
जी सर।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे भी हम लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ एसेट रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं ना बेसिकली। देखिए ना, आपने एसेट को क्लोजर देना है ना। सो एसेट को क्लोजर आपने वहाँ पे देने की बजाय आपने क्या कहा? आपने कहा कि मैं यहाँ सस्पेंस अकाउंट में उसका इंटरेक्शन करा देता हूँ। ये मैंने इसी वजह से यहाँ पे ये क्यूमुलेटिव इफेक्ट लिखा है, और ये मैंने ये भी लिखा है इसमें। अदरवाइज अर्लियर आई हैड रिटन बेसिकली लॉस फ्रॉम क्लोजर ऑफ बिजनेस, राइट? So now this loss can be individually targeted as well. You can easily record the entry of, let's say, account receivable was credited by how much? 40,000, right? You had suspense account of 20,000, and then you have loss on sale of account receivable 20,000. So now all these losses cumulatively will become basically 565,000. जी, और कोई क्यूरी? Still anybody having issues, please? So kindly practice different scenarios, questions, whatever we have studied till now. And obviously next week is a revision class. You can ask questions, but I'm pretty sure you people seldom ask questions. So I'll have to prepare some 1 or 2 scenarios to give you an idea what to expect in the final exams. But still, I would love questions from you. So hopefully see you next week, inshallah.
Inshallah, sir. Inshallah.
Okay, ji. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज़।
Sir.
Allah Hafiz, sir.